In today's video, we're going to look at the Lufkin Shockforce Tape Measure. Hi, I'm Jay with Lowe's.
And I'm Matt Whitbeck.
In today's video, we're going to be talking about the highly durable Lufkin Shockforce Tape Measure. It has a full 14-foot standout and has been drop tested from 100 feet.
I'll tell you, one of the things that I noticed right out of the gate with this is the reinforcement around the locking mechanism. I can't tell you how many times I've broke a tape measure just from breaking off that lock mechanism, and now I got to discard a perfectly good tape just because of that.
Now you've also got diamond-coated end hooks that deliver up to 50% more gripping power.
I would say the standout on this thing worked great. The extra gripping power for me and the coating to know that it's going to last a little bit longer, I could definitely see some advantages in that.
Another advantage, you got markings on the back as well as markings on the front.
I'll tell you what, Jay, being able to measure to that point, not transposing numbers because I'm looking at them sideways. So if I'm measuring in doorways, cabinets, elevations of any kind, I really like that they did that. Really user-friendly.
And I really like that pivot point to be able to make arcs very quickly.
So I've done a lot of arches on the job sites. That is a cool feature.
We should go out and test some out.
Let's do it.
Huh. A few scratches. Still works.
I mean, the fact that this thing beat that drop test is still intact and the locking mechanism's working, great. I really like this NITE also. Being able to use this out in the glare, that was a pretty cool thing.
Absolutely. If you guys want more information on the Lufkin tape measures, just check out the link in the description below. And thanks for watching.